Hi friends, a very morning to you all. Bloom where you are planted. Today, let us learn two topics. One is subject and predicate. The another one is phrase and clause. Okay, as we learned in the previous video about what is a sentence and its types, let us continue with that part of grammar. To introduce, every sentence has two parts. They are, one is subject, the second one is predicate. Now, what is a subject? A subject is the part of a sentence that we are speaking about. It could be a name of a person, place, or thing. So, in a sentence, we talk about some person, or we talk about something, or we talk about some place. When we talk about in a sentence about these three things, that is called a subject. It could be a name of a person, place, or thing. For example, you see, Johanna is an intelligent girl. Who is an intelligent girl? Johanna. So we are talking about Johanna, which is a subject. Second one, the teacher is taking grammar. Who is taking grammar? The teacher. Name of a person. Again, okay. So here the teacher is the subject. Okay. Now the second one. What is a predicate? A predicate is the part of the sentence which tells something about the subject. It is the part of a sentence. Subject also is the part of a sentence. Phrase also, predicate also is the part of a sentence. Here which tells something about the subject. Subject பத்தி பேசுறது என்னது? Predicate. For example, Johanna is an intelligent girl. The teacher is taking grammar. Let us take the same example. Is a verb. An intelligent girl is object. Is a verb. Taking grammar is object. So predicates equal to verb plus objects. So when we talk about the subject, that is called predicate. Okay. Now, what is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words. It is a part of a sentence. It makes sense but not complete sense. So a phrase is a group of words. It is a part of a sentence. It makes sense but not complete sense. For example, I kept your book on your table. I kept your book. I kept your book. Perfect. It's a good sentence. We are adding on your table. On your table. You see the definition of your phrase. On your table. On your table. See the definition of the phrase. It is a group of words. It is a part of a sentence. It makes sense. Yes, it makes sense, but not complete sense. On your table வந்து தனியா இருக்குமா? It is not possible. It can't be. Okay. Therefore, it makes sense, but not complete sense. Okay. Now, what is a clause? A clause is also a group of words. It is also a part of a sentence. It contains a subject and a predicate. Here only the difference comes. It contains a subject and a predicate. It makes sense. It makes complete sense. Even if it stands alone, it makes complete sense. Okay. For example, you see here, I am sure that you speak English well. You speak English well. So you take now, you speak English well is the clause. You take separately and see the definition. It is a group of words. Correct. It is a part of a sentence. Yes, it's right. It contains a subject and a predicate. Here, what is the subject? You is the subject. What is the predicate? Speak English well is the predicate. Predicate is equal to verb plus object. Here, what is the verb? Speak is the verb. English well is the object. Okay. And it makes complete sense. You speak English well. Perfect. It makes complete sense. It's a meaningful sentence. Okay. So therefore, the difference between phrase and the clause is that phrase is a group of word. Clause is a group of word. Okay. Phrase is a part of a sentence. Clause also is a part of a sentence. Phrase doesn't contain a subject and a predicate, but clause contains a subject and a predicate. Okay, phrase doesn't make sense, but clause makes complete sense. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you. If you have to be commanded on any further development of my topics to be discussed, please do. And thank you for your support and encouragement. Thank you. Have a nice day.